Hey guys, meron tayong bisita ngayon para i-test yung ating niluto na sweet and sour fish. Ayan. Si Brother June. Ayan. Ayan bro. Tikman mo bro para malaman mo kung ano. Normal na panghalian lang to bro. The best in the world. Sobrang sarap. Gusto mo bang matuto kung paano magluto ng sweet and sour fish fillet? Watch out for this! And welcome to my channel! Today, may bago na naman akong ibabahagi sa inyo na siguradong magugustuhan ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang handaan favorite, sweet and sour fish fillet. Sa lahat ng mga handaan, ready at saka available po ito. Kaya watch out for this. A special shout out to my subscribers who have requested this video, and for those subscribers who have requested to shout their name out. I'd like special shout out to my sister Marilo Boltron in Tuyom Elementary School, my pamangkin Mary Pauline Boltron, Yen, and of course Tiro Lanyada of Japan. Thank you so much, bro. AJ San Diego of Lubo, Batangas. Please subscribe to his channel. Sister Margarita Ana, Sister Anna of Melaka, Malaysia. Thank you so much. And of course, Jana Rose Abarcas of Karkar City, Cebu. Thank you so much. And Tivar's Travel and Tours. Please support. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa mga lahat ng mga nagtitiwala at sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please support me by subscribing my channel. And please do not forget to click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos. Alright! Ito na mga kompletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating sweet and sour fish. Alright. Unang-una yung ating fish fillet. Ayan. Sliced fish fillet. Ayan. Alright. And then, kailangan rin natin ng salt. And then yung ground pepper. And then yung ating flour. And then also have our cornstarch. And then we have 2 pieces of egg. And then we also have our sibuyas, carrots, red bell pepper, ginger, and then yung ating brown sugar, soy sauce, tomato sauce, pwede rin ketchup, and then we also have our vinegar. Ayan po ang mga kompletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating sweet and sour fish. And we also have our oil. In the meantime, while doing this, nagpapainit na po ako ng aking oil sa aking pan. Alright! Stay tuned! Okay, first natin gagawin, ating lagyan ng salt ang ating sliced fish fillet. Yan. And then, lagyan din natin ng black pepper, ground black pepper. Right? Yan, we just mix it like that. Doon natin yung ating flour. Okay. Yung ating natira na ground black pepper ating ilagay. Then lagyan din natin ng salt. Yan. And then this is flour. So we'll just add also our cornstarch. Just 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Right. Then just mix it. Okay. Ito yung para sa ating breadings. Para sa ating coating sa ating fish fillet. Alright. Next na gagawin natin is ating ididip ang ating fish fillet sa ating beaten egg. Okay. Saka natin siya ilagay sa ating breadings. Okay? And then we're good to go. Nainit na po ang ating oil. So, ayan. Just make sure na mainit yung inyong oil bago ninyo ilunod ang inyong fish fillet para sigurado nyo maluto kagad ang inyong isda. And then from time to time need lang siyang ikot kasi bawal po siyang masunog. Okay, you just leave it for a few minutes. Okay, you just leave it until mag-golden brown po yung ating fish. Okay, as you can see, golden brown na yung ating fish fillet. So, tatanggalin lang natin. Yan. And then, gagawa na tayo ng sauce. Look at that. Okay, then next to this, gagawa na tayo ng sauce. Alright. Okay, just put some oil. A little bit of oil. And then, just put on our sibuyas. Sibuyas, we just leave it for until maluto siya, until na maamoy mo na yung bango ng sibuyas. Yan, not necessarily na i-overcook mo yung sibuyas kasi madudurog na siya. Okay, right. Smells good. And then isunod ko na yung aking carrots. Right, just mix it like that. Yan, just enough lang na masuk siya sa mantika. Dapat half cook lang. Okay, and then isunod natin yung ating red bell pepper. Next is our ginger. Sliced ginger. Right. And then, ang isunod ko ay yung ating brown sugar. Okay, in the meantime, itansyahin ko lang muna kasi this is 3 tablespoons. So, naglagay lang muna ako ng mga around 2 tablespoons. Baka masyadong, sobrang sweet. Okay, later on you can just add it on. Okay. And then, next is ilagay ko yung ating soy sauce. And then, sunod ko sa paglagay yung ating tomato sauce. This one you could also use ketchup. This is just to add color. Right, just leave it like that. And then isunod ko sa paglagay yung ating vinegar. Okay, vinegar is just only about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, looks good and yummy. Okay? I-add ko na lang din yung ating, i-buhos ko na lahat yung ating brown sugar. Okay? We just leave it for a few minutes. Hinaan lang natin yung apoy. And then we just leave it for a few minutes. You don't need to stir it and mix it all the time. Kasi pag may suka na siya, kailangan maluto muna yung suka bago nyo galawin. Okay? Right, we just leave it for a few minutes and then let's check later. And then we just add on our fried fish fillet and we're done. Right, after a few minutes of waiting, let's check. Right, see that? Okay. Check natin. Tastes good. Tama lang yung tamis at saka yung alat. Nag-blend yung tamis at saka yung alat. And yung pagka anghang, yung pagka asim niya. Okay? That's really a good sweet and sour. Alright. So dapat ganun ang blending. Hindi siya too much empowering yung sugar, hindi rin too much empowering yung sour. So dapat nag-blend lang ang tatlong lasa. Right? Okay? We'll just pour on our fried fish fillet. Yung pang mas malapot, you could also make a slurpee. Yung cornstarch, you can just add on water sa cornstarch and then ang lapot is just fine. Look at that. Okay. Okay, piplating ko na lang siya and then we're done. Ready to serve for our lunch. Hey guys, meron tayong bisita ngayon para i-test yung ating niluto na sweet and sour fish. Ayan, si Brother June. Ayan. Ayan bro, tikman mo bro para malaman mo kung ano. Normal na pananghalian lang to bro. Normal na pananghalian. Ayan, yung aking wife. Ayan, isa-serve natin yung ating mga wife kasi tikman na natin yung ating sweet and sour. The best in the world. Sobrang sarap. Mag-comment ka bro.
Cooking process.
Tikman mo tapos mag-comment ka.
Naiyak naman mo.
Diba?
Hindi ako sanay sa sa video. Lasang sweet and sour.
Guys, this is Chris again, your Kuya Pandisoy. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guide. And I hope to see you again in my next video. See you. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Do not forget to comment, like, and share.